sisters. 11 weeks old. Mine's standing, Mia's laying down, chewing on the bone. And there's Mommy. Heidi's gonna go see Mommy. Mommy doesn't want to see Heidi. Heidi, Mommy's gonna bite you. Mommy's gonna bite you.